Hey everybody, it's Nicole coming at you with a haul video. I went out today and I really didn't want to go out because it is freezing here and the wind is so high till it just makes it all the more cold, if you know what I mean. But anyway, I'm a coffee junkie. I ran out of coffee, so I had to go out and get some. So I stopped by Fred's because where I live we only have a Dollar General, Fred's, and a Piggly Wiggly. I live in the sticks, so we don't have much variety when it comes to shopping. So anywho, went into Fred's and they had this amazing clearance. They have 90% off all their clearance items, not just Christmas but anything that is on clearance. And when I checked my mailbox, I actually had a flyer from them saying that they had stuff on clearance. So if you have a Fred's, check them out. All right, well, first things first, I picked up my coffee and then I picked up some cocoa. Now this wasn't on clearance, but it was $1. It was this Nestle's hot cocoa. I decided to get this because I've had it before and it's pretty good, but the Swiss Miss and Dollar Tree, they have the marshmallows, and so I'm not a fan of those. I just like the plain hot cocoa, so I got that. And let's see, what else was non-sale? I think that was it. Okay, so moving along, I found this super glue, porcelain repair glue. I got this because not so much as repairing porcelain, but I could use this when I'm gluing glass and plates and things like that together, or items to glass, in, you know, ceramics and stuff like that. They were regularly $3. I got this for 30 cents. I should have got more. I just got one. I may go back tomorrow if they have some left and grab some more, but 30 cents. The sale consists of anything with this white tag and red writing. They had signs all over the store saying anything with the white tag with the red writing was 90% off. So 30 cents for this, y'all. Couldn't beat that with a stick, so I got that. Then I picked up this Shea Moisture Jamaican Black Castor Oil Strengthen and Grow Restore Treatment Mask. Grow and Restore Treatment Mask with shea butter, peppermint, and keratin. Now I use shea moisture products every day. I use their facial cleansing moisturizer, and I also use their hair products. I didn't have this one, so I decided to try it because it was on clearance. It's getting close to the expiration, which is in May, but I decided to get it because I know it'll be gone before then. 12 bucks. I got this for $1.20. $1.20. Can I say that again? $1.20. I mean, you can, Shea Moisture stuff is not cheap by any means, and so I was super glad to see this. Y'all just don't know. I know there's like this little boycott thing going on with Shea Moisture, but honey, forget that. My hair likes it, my skin likes it. I'm gonna use it. So yeah, glad to see that. They had others, but that's the one that I actually use. I use that line with the Jamaican Black Castor Oil. Okay, my Fred's sells beauty supply products like you would find in a beauty supply store. So they actually have hair weave, they have ponytails, they have all kinds of stuff for, you know, doing your hair, basically Black or African American hair. So they have packs of hair that's either $9.99 or $7.99. So of course they'd be 79 cents or 99 cents with the 90% off. I didn't get any. I refrained from it because, you know, I'm a wig wearer. I don't do the weave thing, and I'm a little too lazy to make wigs. I want to, I have in the past, but my patience is too short. So I didn't get any. I may go back and get some because they had a full shelf full of hair. Do you hear me? But I didn't get any, but I did pick up some of these Go satin covered hair rollers. They're by First Line Evolve, I think that's what that says. It's by, yeah, First Line Evolve. So you get 12 hair rollers in a pack, the medium size, for $2, or they were originally, I'm assuming $2. So with the 90% off of that, they were 20 cents a piece. So I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 packs of these because one, I have lots like I said, lots and tons and all that good stuff of wigs. And I have synthetic as well as human. And I have a lot of them that I want to freshen and revamp and things like that. So I figured I could use these to do that with the wigs, as well as on my natural if I decide to wear my natural out, which I'm thinking about doing since it's cool now. But I'm opening it up so we can look at them. Oh, basically what they are, you know, they come in a little thing like this, 12 of them. They are covered in satin. That would be awesome for my natural hair. Oh my gosh. So they're basically foam rollers. There's the foam core, but they have satin on the roller part, because you know those foam rollers that take your hair out. So yeah, oh my God, I'm going back to get some more of these because I could definitely use these on my natural. I didn't realize it was like that. Oh, 20 cents. Oh, yes. Whew. Okay, go ahead, friends. So yeah, I got 5 packs of these. Oh, this would be great for like a twist my hair. I could do the twist and then roll this up and have curl. Oh, the things I could do. 20 cents, y'all. Okay, moving along. I found these from the Christmas clearance, which all of it's 90% off. These truffles, these are double chocolate flavored truffles. So of course they're in a little Christmas wrap. When I saw them first, they had like 6 packs of these, but I wasn't sure how much they were, so I went to the counter and she said they were 50 cents. So I was like, I don't know if I want to do that. But when I initially went to check out, they rang up at 10 cents. So when I went back to get more, somebody had already got the rest of them. So that was a sign, honey, I didn't need them anyway. But 10 cents for these truffles. So I got those. And then I found some Valentine's Day clearance. They had these cupcake liners and these picks for $1. It's 24 of each, and they ended up being 10 cents. So I'm straight. If I decide to make some cupcakes or something for Valentine's Day, I am straight. Got my stuff already. So really nice deal. Then I found some decor from last year, I'm assuming. So I grabbed them, all that they had left. They were 60 cents a piece, and they are these wall hangings. They were regularly $6, and yeah, there's the tag, $6. You can see that, $6. So again, 90% off of that. So I got all that they had. They had 2 of the polka dot and then 1 of the chevron. And what is interesting about these is the fact that they have a battery pack in them. So I didn't know what they did. I just grabbed them for 60 cents because they're burlap, which I have this burlap thing going on in here. And I also have like the red, which I've said before, in my kitchen. So I like this one. This is the one I saw first because it has the red and white chevron. And I was like, oh, I can use this in the kitchen somehow for Valentine's Day. And so when I saw the battery packs, that's what made me get the rest. Well, I put some batteries in. I don't know if you can actually see that, but it lights up because these lights are like, you probably can't see it, but it lights up. They have little LED lights on the inside, but with the, you know, you probably can't because my light's like shining right down on top of this, but no, you can't. But anyway, they light up. So I thought they were so cute. So again, I'll use this one in the kitchen, and I'll probably try to figure out a craft project or something to do with the polka dot ones because it has the pink polka dots, and I think this one just looks better to me. I don't know, but yeah, so 3 of those, 60 cents a piece. Okay, now what I was super excited to see was they had a lot of wall art, and Lord knows I didn't need any more of that, but I did like what I did grab. Okay, I'm gonna show you this one first since we're doing the Valentine's Day kind of thing. Okay, they had these 2 pictures. They were $18.95 regularly, and they are 6.5 by 5 pictures. I was trying to see the size. So yeah, and this is what they look like. And what made me get this one was because it had love on it. You know, it had the description of love. And then this one says, do everything with love. So I thought about Valentine's Day. I can incorporate this into a Valentine's Day DIY or something, because these were $1.89. Okay? $1.89 for these pictures. And they are gorgeous. I mean, really, they had a bunch of these too. I'll open it up because I want to see how they're made so that I could figure out how to DIY these. So, oh, they're really nice. Look at that. They're framed nicely. They're all sealed and everything. But of course, you know, I could disassemble and add stuff to the inside of this. Maybe make this red. I don't per se like, I mean, I love the frame. I love the fact that it has the little faux nail heads in here. But what I want to do probably is maybe add or embellish the love, the word itself, and then put it back together, because I'm not a fan of that gold look. It's like, it's not, how am I explaining it? It's just paper. So it's not shiny, it's not, you know, in your face. It's just, and I'm not a fan of that. So I'd probably embellish that. But I love this. I mean, for $1.89, 2 of those. So I may go back and get a couple more just to bling out and DIY. Okay. Then I picked these up, and I love these because these are going in my bedroom. It works with the decor perfectly. I actually have some more pictures that I got from TJ Maxx that I want to put in there, and I needed something else, and so I'm kind of glad I went in there. So I picked these up. This is the first one. It's like floating art. You know, you have the clear back and everything. So here's the first one, and here is the second. Well, this goes this way. So this is what they look like, y'all. These were $18.95 each. So I got these for $1.89. And these are beautiful. You see that? It's just basically abstract, sort of a faux mixed media picture that's sandwiched between glass and framed. And I love it. I mean, I wouldn't have paid $18.95 for it. But $1.89, yes. So I love those. And again, check out Fred's, especially now with that clearance going on, because honey, you can get some really nice stuff. They had other pictures, they had other items, nothing that I needed, but they had like back to school stuff, backpacks. So if you have kids that will be, you know, in school, younger kids, they had all their backpacks for 90% off, the clear ones, because a lot of schools want you to have clear backpacks. Lots of school supplies, notebook paper, notebooks, all that stuff, y'all, 90% off. So check out your local Fred's. And if you have any questions about any of the stuff, you know, like I always say, feel free to leave them below. Look out for the DIYs using some of the stuff that I got. Yeah, and I guess it's gonna do it. So until my next video, I will see y'all then. Bye.